Hello everyone, welcome back to the TBI HWare tutorial channel. This video is about preventive maintenance. I go straight to the point. Equipment, how to plan that. Equipment, preventive, planning. Just to show you how it works, we can filter this by instance, by customer. So it's easier to plan by customer or by equipment model. Let's say the first customer, which branch, Bayside, just look for. Okay, in Bayside we have, in this customer Bayside we have two equipment Island C2500 which are overdue. So let's click on here to see what happened. How it's presented inside. Okay, let's click here. Okay, it shows you the preventive maintenance cards. The green ones are done, the red ones are overdue, the yellow ones, the ticket was automatically created 30 days before the date of the execution, automatically created, and the blue ones are planned to the future. Okay, so this customer has overdue and has tickets created in the system. Okay, let me go back. Let's see the other one. Okay, same thing, green, done, overdue, didn't do in May, but there is another one planned for June 30. As we are 30 days before, it has created this ticket and it's awaiting the tickets area. And the date, the blue ones are planned to the future. Also, the preventive maintenance tickets, they are in the dispatch center, but different. There is a separated area for preventive maintenance because the preventive maintenance you assign to a person and you define a date. You just don't define the hour when the technician is going there, and you also obviously you can change to another person. So I will show you all this process. First, let's create a planning here and I will show you how. Let's go back here, okay, to the planning, and I will filter here by customer. Let's say the customer we created during the videos, Advent Health, this one, branch, no branch. Okay, so we have one instrument in there, which is the IROS C2500. I want to use this one because we have created the checklist before. Okay, edit. We have two possibilities: to customize the preventive maintenance dates or use the manufacturer recommendation. Let's say if you decide, okay, I will use just the manufacturer recommendations 4 times a year. If you, no, in this case it's 1 a year. So you just to give the start date and the system will plan the others. Okay, but most used here are the customized. Okay, you just, you have card, you can plan one by one. You can plan the preventive maintenance, you can choose the type of preventive kit you are going to use, you plan the ticket, you assign the tickets already to one person. So each preventive ticket, the recommendation is have one person specific for that ticket. So if it's the engineer to the region, define that. When you plan, you have to define, otherwise you cannot save. You have to define because it's going to create a ticket automatically. It goes to the dispatch center, you can change the person, and you define the time of the day to attend the customer. Okay, so first thing, let's see here, we have 4 groups of checklists, activities checklist. Sorry, it's in another language here. 52 tickets, 52 activities in total. So what kind of preventive tickets we have for this instrument, this model? We have the PM 3 months, we have the predictive 1 month, we have the scientific applications preventive maintenance checklist, and we have the 4 months PM. This one has 7 subgroups. Yeah, and each subgroup you can open and you see what is in. By instance, here you have what have to do, and you have the description how to do it. This is how we create a checklist. You will remind that from the previous videos, okay? So now what we are going to do is to plan the dates. Let's say today is June 4, and I will plan the next PM to July 1st. And I choose the PM is going to be a 4 months preventive checklist, and that's it. Now I can just click add. The other one is going to, this is August, September, October, is going to be in November. So before November, I can add, by instance, month by month, the PM, the predictive maintenance. Let's say the predictive maintenance, which is monthly. So I say July, and I will have in August, let's say August 3rd, and then add another predictive, monthly predictive. Yeah, it's going to be in September, let's say on 2nd, and also the predictive 1 month checklist. So July, August, September, October. So one out, another one. Now we are going to have October 1st, and it's going to be also the 1 month predictive. And now it's time to have another preventive, 4 months. So November, sorry. November 2nd, and now I'm going to have another PM. But note that the first one is going to happen in less than 30 days. So what's going to happen here is that when I create that and I save that, I define a technician, I define the person, contact person at the customer site. When I do that, is going to create the ticket. Every 60 seconds, every 1 minute, the system runs a script to identify if there are preventive tickets to be created. So when it reaches 30 days, it's going to be created automatically. You have time to organize yourself, to plan, change the date if necessary. So organize with the customer. If not, change the date. Just define what time is going to be. I will show you where, okay? And now let's define the technician. Let's say we have 4 here. Say, okay, this is going to be responsibility of Michael Reynolds. He is going to be responsible for that. Again, you can change later, but the ticket has to be created in the name of someone, okay? Contact at the customer site is going to be Andrew Ramirez, okay? Okay, everything okay, prepare it, just save that. When we save that, and here, just above, we have the serial number of the equipment. Yeah, we have the contract number, we have the date of the contract, when, what's the expiration date, end of the contract, everything. Okay, ready to save, just save that. Okay, close. Updated successfully, just close that, and that's it. In 1 minute, if I go there right now, planning, filter by customer, Advent Health Florida, no branch. If I see that, I have the equipment I just did scheduled. Okay, schedule. If I edit that, everything is blue. It means that the ticket was not created yet. While this ticket is created, I go to show you the dispatch center. So I leave here, I go to the dispatch center, how it works. We have four. Now we have four here, okay? There is no Advent Health here. You can see there is no Advent Health. So all of them are here because they came automatically. Doesn't matter the date. They came automatically to this area here. They are separated from the other tickets. The other tickets are here. Preventive maintenance are here. So here you do the same, but you have already a person assigned to that. So you have, when you open that, it's assigned. You have a person who is the customer, requester, everything, and then here you can choose another person. You can it's assigned to someone. You just change the date. Instead of July 2nd, you can do this today, and you can just send. It's already in this person. You can change to another one because this is a node. This is not the one we created. Okay, the one we created didn't come yet. This was assigned to Carlos, so you can change to another person. You can change the time and define the time of the day that the engineer is going to be there to attend the customer. Okay, this is just an overview to you. So in some minutes the ticket will be created. Okay, let me just refresh here and to see more or less 1 minute. Okay, let me go there again. Equipment, preventive planning. I search for the same customer, Advent. Okay, here, no branch. Just look at that. Schedule, open that. Yellow. So it means the ticket was already created. Okay? Now we have a ticket created for the first preventive maintenance of this instrument, and the checklist is going to be the PM Island C2500 4 months. If I go back there into the support area, dispatch center, now it's not a surprise, now we have 5 instead of 4 preventive maintenance, and this ticket is already here. Is this one, Advent Health. Okay, June 30. Okay, this one? Yes, it's this one. Let me see here. Yes, it's assigned to Michael. Look at here, assigned to Michael. Exactly what we did. The day, so June 3rd is the day of creation of this ticket, because this is the 30 days before the day we planned. So now we have the ticket was created June 3rd. Okay, it assumes the date because we planned for June 4th. Okay, now June 3rd, 20, your ticket is scheduled. Sorry, scheduled. It's scheduled. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. It's scheduled. It was created today, but it is scheduled for June 3rd. But it's not going to be June 3rd. Oh yes, it's going to be, but we just need to define what time is going to be on June 3rd. Let's say 8:39 a.m. is going to be June 3rd. Yeah, today is the date of the creation of the ticket. Sorry, I was confused on that. Okay, it's Michael. Yes, Michael is the person who is going to attend, and now you just save the change. And if you go here on the top, you can see all the month of June. If we go to June 3rd, we're going to should have this preventive maintenance. Let me see here. Or something wrong here. Let me see. Day. And let me choose here June 3rd. Okay, and now you should have here. Oh, we still have 5 here. We still have 5. Advent Health is still here. It didn't leave yet. Okay, so I need to click here again. Let me see. It's Michael. I will assign that. Let me review that. Okay, June 3rd, 7 a.m. Ah, yeah. Sorry, I didn't mark the duration. It's going to take 4 hours to do this preventive maintenance. Yeah, it's good that this happens. Yeah, no problem. This could happen with you as well, which are that show you that the system is efficient. It doesn't allow me to make mistakes. Okay, so June 3rd, 7 a.m. It's the new time. I assigned that. It's going to take 4 hours. Now it's going to be Michael, and now save the chance. This is now the ticket left here, this area. Now we have 4, and if we go to June 3rd, now June 3rd, 7 to 9, Michael Reynolds has a PM ticket here. If Michael clicks here, or dispatcher, sorry, if the dispatcher clicks here, you can easily, as a dispatcher, change to another person or make the update, or change the date to anticipate or anticipate 1 day, or postpone 1 day, or change the engineer, or change the time. Yeah, you are free to do everything also from here. So a dispatcher can manage the tickets from here as well. Okay, so I hope you liked the preventive maintenance video. It was good that I made some mistakes to show you how it works. The system prevents that, didn't allow me to do that. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video.